Microsoft Paint is no longer just a scribble tool fueled by nostalgia. It's getting smarter, weirder, and a lot more AI-powered. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to place for all the tech updates. Microsoft's experimental Windows AI Labs is testing the old and humble Paint app in Windows 11 with two bold new features that could turn it into a creative playground for both casual users and digital artists. First of all, it's AI animation. With just a click of the new Animate button, Paint can take your still image or sketch and automatically turn it into full-on animation. No prompts, no time, no sweat. Sounds magical, right? Well, it's still early days. A demo shows Pikachu flying through the night sky until things start to get a bit surreal. The animations work, but sometimes go off the rails, adding a charmingly chaotic twist to your creation. Then there's Generative Edit. Think of it as Paint's answer to Google's Nano Banana or Photoshop's Generative Fill. You simply select part of an image, give the AI a prompt like turn the background into a fruit jungle, and watch the magic happen, and it works surprisingly well too. While these features are still being tested, and access is limited to Windows insiders through an invite-only system, it shows where Microsoft is headed. It's injecting more AI into core Windows apps like Paint and possibly Photos next. Whether you love it or the old-school version more, Paint is changing anyways. From stick figures to full-blown AI animations, the canvas just got a lot more interesting. So, what are you drawing first? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.